Hi, it's Andy at Martin Atkinson's Specialist Vans here. Today, going to take you around a lovely delivery mileage, absolute top of the range Volkswagen Transporter that we've just freshly completed. So this is a 73 plate pure grey bi-turbo 4Motion with a DSG gearbox. Great factory spec, full MASV styling. Gloss black pack with the contrast matte badges. We'll take you around it, run through the spec and show you what it's all about. So as you can see, it's been lowered 30mm on genuine Volkswagen lowering springs. Just sits nice on the 20-inch wheels there, which are the gloss black Velar VLR 17s. Gloss black pack extends the transporter badge on the side and on the wing mirrors and surrounds there. All the little details. Privacy tints on the windows. This one's Kombi conversion, so 5-seater. 2 single seats up front with our bespoke MASV leather. And then the 2+1 rear seating. Now, factory spec, this one has got a load of stuff on it. Standard stuff includes air conditioning, adaptive cruise, and front and rear park sensors. Now, this one's got the Discover Media Nav System 2 with wireless app connect, so you can have Google Maps nav on there. You can use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Just basically allows you to use your smartphone on the screen there without having to plug in. This one's got Park Assist 2, so that means it can either self-park in a parallel parking position, or the real major benefit for me is that it's got side sensors, so as you're parking you can actually sort of see on the display what you're near on the sides. It has like the amber to red lines going in, just like on the front and rear. Heated front seats as well. And it's got a lovely carbon leather steering wheel, this one. Now, rear options, this one has got diff lock and hill descent control. So if any of you are looking at using this to potentially maybe take mountain bikes kind of off-grid or an off-grid camper, it's the perfect vehicle for it. Again, if you're towing actually, and you happen to be on a wet field, diff lock is going to be a major help in getting you out of trouble. So there's the 2+1 rear seating. As you can see, it's all been carpet lined in the rear of the vehicle. And we've put some LED downlighters in the tailgate. Now they're super handy when you're loading up in the dark. And we've got 4 LEDs in the roof as well. We can add things like additional charging points here. And in the back, if you want to put a cool box in, have that kind of option. Prices for that are on our advert there, so have a look at that. It's one of the options we can offer. This one's got power latching sliding doors, so as you shut them, if it doesn't fully close, it will sort of suck the door in like a soft close door on a Mercedes. Moving to the rear, we've got the high level rear roof spoiler, tinted lights and lenses, and MASV detail badging on the rear. You'll have noticed we also modify the 4Motion badge just to go with that gloss black look, and it's the same on the front as well. Carbon fibre effect rear bumper protector, just stops the bumper getting all scratched up when you're putting stuff in, and it has got a rear camera option on this one too. Just show you this from the side so you can see how well it stands. So looking great on those latest Velar wheels. It's worth noting though, if you've seen a different set of wheels on one of our other vehicles that you do prefer to these, we don't mind changing them free of charge, subject to having those wheels in stock with the manufacturer. So you can get to personalise it to exactly how you want. Delivery miles on this one, just 165 miles from new. As mentioned, this is a Kombi conversion, so it does show as a van on the V5C. It's important if you're looking at putting this through your business, claiming the VAT back. Has got the LED lights as well. Super option, those make a huge difference for nighttime driving. So great spec vehicle. Now we're going to have 20 plus photos and a full written description on our website at martinatkinsonvans.co.uk. We can take part exchanges and we do offer finance facilities for personal or business customers. So if you're interested in the vehicle, please do get in touch. We would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.